back to my channel, Craftartarina, your weekly dose of DIYs. So today we're making Christmas ornaments and I loved making them. They've turned out way better than I expected. I hope you'll enjoy the video. Let's start.
So the first project is mostly like the traditional Christmas ornament. I'm just using an old light bulb, applied some glue over the rim and rolled the twine over the loop that I made. Later applied the glue over the bulb, smeared it with my finger and then just sprinkled some glitter and it was done. This is one of the easiest among all the ornaments that I made and it turned out so pretty. Second ornament, we are going to make a Christmas tree. First fold it into an X, then a plus, then I don't know how to narrate this, just fold it inside, I guess, the way I'm doing right now. It should look something like this. We have 4 flaps and each of the flap we are going to make a triangle out of it, then make that one triangle again into 2 triangles. So I don't want to confuse y'all, so if y'all just watch what I'm doing, y'all would understand it better. So totally you'll have 8 small flaps once you're done, 4 on each side. And then you're just going to cut off the ends. This part I wasn't expecting it. Since I'm using black colored paper, it's not all that visible. Added another image to the video so that y'all can see where actually I've cut. Then I'm just folding the edges. Once all the cut edges are folded, it should look something like this. Then lastly, just needle in a string and your Christmas ornament is done. This third project, I'm using old paper just to give it a nice rustic look. So I'm just doing the accordion fold, or popularly known as the fan fold, for this angel or fairy, I'm not sure what to call it. Then I cut the edge into a V shape. Next I'm going to chop it into 2 parts. The first part is going to form the wings of the angel. Fold it together, clip it and kept it aside. This forms the bottom half of the angel. I'm trying to make a hole that's big enough for the twine to pass through the paper as well as the bead that's going to form the head of the angel. I did dab some Fevicol at the tip of the twine so that it's strong enough and it passes through the paper and the bead easily. Then I knotted the top and the bottom and secured it with some Fevicol. Now I'm trying to attach both of it together, so I'm just placing the knotted end into the folds and then secure it with glue. You'll have a lot of ways in which y'all can do this, but this is what just popped into my head, so I just did it. Lastly, I stuck the wings to the bottom half, then added a bow, stuck a string at the back, done with a fairy or angel, whatever you call it. This last ornament is one of the simplest ones. I'm using this silver pipe cleaner and coiling it over a brush to get the spiral look. Then I'm just going to string in some translucent and pearl beads into the pipe cleaner and made a loop at the top of it, and that's about it. It's all done.
Sorry to interrupt. I don't want my video to be way too long, so I made it into 2 parts. The first part is today and the second part will be posted on Sunday. Make sure your pulse notifications or your bell icon is turned on so that you all don't miss the video. Comment down below your favorite out of all the ornaments that I made, and if you all do end up making any of the ornaments, please make sure you all DM it to me on Craftartarina. And if you all did like this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and I'll meet you all on Sunday. Do make sure to comment down below if you all